Basic exercise question number 7 of lesson 5. Two concentric circles are joined as shown in the diagram. Concentric circles share the same point as their center. So this will be the same point. The radius of the smaller circle is a third of the radius of the larger circle. So that means if we set the radius of the small circle as 1, then the radius of this large circle will be 3. Okay? So let's call that 3. And since the question asks you about the ratio, so you can just use 1 and 3 to help you solve the question. And then the top half of the larger circle, which is outside the small circle, is shaded in gray. Question is, the ratio of the gray shaded area to the area of the smaller circle in the simplest form is A to B. What is this value? What is this ratio? Okay, so basically, since we just set the radius of the smaller circle as 1 and the radius of the larger circle as 3, so you can get the area of this gray part, which is a semi-ring, right? So firstly, let's try to get the gray region, which gonna be pi times by the large circle radius, which is 3 squared, minus the smaller circle radius squared, which gives us, let's see, what number? 8, right? 8 pi. Okay. And actually, that's the area of this full ring, and the gray part is just half of that. So don't forget, you have to times it by a half. Okay, so a half times by that. That means the gray region equals to 4 pi. And now let's move on to this small circle in the middle. And we know that as for this smaller circle, the area equals to pi r squared, right? And r equals to 1, so it can be pi times by 1 squared equal pi. And now we can get the ratio of the area. As for this green region, there will be 4 pi, and for the small circle, there will be 1 pi. So the ratio then equals to, let's ask you the ratio of gray shaded area to the smaller circle. That will be 4 pi to 1 pi. And you can simplify that by removing the pi. So you got 4 to 1. And that is just the simplest version of this. So A then equals to 4, and then B equals to 1. So that's the answer to this question.